Okay, we have a more recent. I believe this was in the 1990s, so that one probably is too. Although it may be earlier, just by the manufacturer and everything. But this one was being sold as Radar Robot. It says Wind-up walking action robot from a distant galaxy. Warning, got the CE. What do we got here on the bottom? 1996. Let's find out if it still works. Oh yeah. Look at that. You got spinning ears, spinning antenna on top. Beautiful chrome job with some writing on the back. Take a look at that. Look how reflective that chrome is. That's a real nice chrome job. One sticker screwed together, so it's not just glued. It's a little bit more of a quality product. This one, Judo Space Robot, walking, made in Hong Kong. Nothing on the bottom to help us. Let's take a look at the robot. Okay, we've got the similar markings on the back. So let's go ahead and date this thing in the 1990s then too, since it's so similar to the black one. Wow, I just only gave it 2 turns. It felt real stiff to wind, so it winds in a hurry. Unwinds in a hurry too. So, there we have it. Radar Robot and Space Robot.